Hi, my name is Nicole Caspillo. I'm one of the artists featured at Create Arts Festival. It's an incredible 2-day arts festival happening in Strathcona Park, and it will also feature a variety of multidisciplinary artists that will also be hosting a workshop. And the workshop that I'll be hosting is called Weaving Together. My journey as an artist started from a very young age. My mom, she was always making art in the house. She was like quilting, she was painting on silk, and making batik murals. And one by one, it planted the seed of me really enjoying art making. Yeah, like I feel like to really thrive as a person, I really need to make art. And I'm a self-taught artist, so whenever I'm interested in like learning an art form, I like reach out to friends, or I go to the library, I look online for tutorials, and I do a variety of mediums. Weaving is one that I'm currently passionate about, and it came from kind of the metaphor of how every experience in your life adds on to the weaving of your life. I hope to see you this weekend at Strathcona Park for Create Arts Festival. And if you'd like any more information, you can visit the website at createartsfestival.ca.